In this short PowerPoint tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple animations to one object, one shape. So what you have to do is select the shape that you would like to add animation and then go to animations here. So if you are in home, click on animations, and here I'm going to add this zoom animation. And now, if I want to add another animation, if I click here, this will just will just like remove the first animation we added. So in order to add two animations or just another animation to your object, we have to go to add animation. So don't go here if you already added the first animation. You see your one. Now go to add animation, and here you can add the second animation. You can select here settings for that animation, duration. You can add some delay. And now if we play this, so let's play. So this is the animation we added, both two animations too. You can also see here, if you select 1, 2, you should see here 1, 2, so there are two. And now what you have to do, so after we add an animation for this one, now we have two animations. But let's say we select this shape, this object, and we like to add another animation. Well, we don't go here, we go to add animation, because if you add animation from here, you can add multiple animations from here. So maybe I want to add fade animation. So now there's three animations here added to this object. If you click on this object, you can see if you can't find animation plane, it's right over here actually. So click on this so you can see all the animations here. So now we have three animations added here. We can play. We also have fade out. But now let's say I like to remove an animation we added to this object. Well, what we have to do is select the object, and then here we can see the animation, and just right click and select remove, and you can also undo with these buttons here. Now if you right click, you can also select effect options, and here you can add some start on click with previous, duration, text animation, some effects. You can add the slide washing point. So now it starts from this side, this part. Now we can here add after previous. So we have now this effect. Now let's say I would like to copy all the animations I've added to this object to the other one, to this is one. And this one, if I select, there's nothing. So there's nothing. If it's playing for this one. But to add to this one, well, you can just repeat the entire process and just add manually all the effects to the other object. But another method which I use the most is just to select the object. You click select the object that you want to copy the effects from, and click on animation painter, and then select and just click. You see this icon added to this mouse, to the cursor, and click, and now we have the animations to this object as well. Now we can also see the animations here. We can move the animations, and now we have all the animations here like this. And we can also now, let's say I would like to redo this. So I'm gonna click animation painter and add to this one as well, and to this one. So now this is what we have. Play all. So, and that's kind of the process. And we can also go home here, arrange and selection plane. Now we can also select from here all the objects. We can hide them, and yes, so that's pretty important as well. We can hide all and or show all, and double click. We can name all these animations or all these shapes, sorry. And now you can also duplicate a slide, and you can hold shift and copy all, or just press Ctrl A to select all. And now what you can do is to maybe we have here, we can add some morph. Can go to, we can press shift plus F5, and now we have this first, and then we have this one, all of these shapes that are not here in the second slide because we added this morph. But let's go actually in animation, and here we can change some of the animations because we have all these animations here, and this won't work as we would like. So I'm just gonna delete all these animations here, and now if we click here, we have this really simple animation. And now I can right click and duplicate this, and Control A, and then go to, you can also go to shape, format, and align to slide, now to selected objects, middle, and then align center. And now we have this shift plus F5. We have this animation, um, this one, and then this one, which we created by using. But also let's go in, because we added this, but is advanced slice on the mouse. So I have to click in order for this animation or this morph transition to start. So I don't want that. So I'm gonna click here and decrease the duration for this transition and apply to all, of course. Now we can press, or we can start this slide from here. We can also go to slideshow and from current slide, and now it's much faster. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.